guys. I welcome you to my channel, Laser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafael Yakub right here. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video, guys, I'm going to teach you guys how the difference and similarity between Taobao and 1688. Okay, the two are not the same. So I'm going to clarify one or two things you need to know about Taobao and 1688 so that you'll be able to understand it more perfectly than you might think. And if you would like to connect with me on WhatsApp, you can connect with me. Click on here. You want to connect with me on Facebook, you can connect me with this link. You want to connect me on Instagram, you can connect with me right here, or you can better still connect with me via the same phone number on the screen of this video. If you have any business related issue to discuss with me about importation business from China, US, and some other country. So thank you. So let's get started with the today tutorial and see the similarity or difference between Taobao and 1688. So let's get started. So right here on my phone screen right here, this is 1688 app and this is Taobao. The two are not the same, though they are from China. That is, whatever you buy from these two apps, you are importing from China. So if you are in China procurement and shipping, or you are buying through agents, this is all you need to understand as far as Taobao 1688 is concerned. So I'm going to start with 1688 right here. So I'm going to click on my 1688. Alright, so things to know about 1688 is what I'm going to brief for you guys right here in this section. At the top right here, you can easily type search using this bar. And whatever you want to search for, all you have to do is to type it in this bar right here. And you're going to see a variety of results. Right here, this is picture search. If you click on this icon right here, you are going to be able to browse picture from your full album, then you upload it on the site. You'll be able to see more variety of the particular product you are trying to picture search. So if you scroll down, you'll begin to see more products available at the time you open up the app right here. You can continue to scroll down and more your products will be loaded up as far as this app is concerned. All right, so down below right here, this is where you can search by category of different products. If I click on this place here, you'll be able to see the product in different category. Most of the product at this section here, they have brand product, which simply means that whatever you buy from here, most of them are brand products. You can select by product name, by category. So each time you click on any of the link right here, you're going to see different product that will display by the side of the bar. So right here, these are the products available at this moment. So at the section right here, this is where all your chat box is going to be located. Whatever each time you are talking to supplier, this is where everything goes on. So you chat them up right here, you add the supplier right here, you do everything right here, and some of the notification from 1688, you can get it from this point right here. Okay, so that is for that section. At the top, at the bottom right here also, this is where you see the product you had in cart. So if I click on here, you'll be able to see if I have any product in cart, it's going to open up right here. Wow, so I have some products in cart. So right here, these are the products I have in cart currently. Okay, so this is where you are going to find all your products in cart. Left side at the bottom right here, if you click on here, this is where it takes you to your profile dashboard. Okay, so from profile dashboard, what are the things you need to understand at this top here? So this is where you whatever you have, whenever you have something at this point here, maybe 1 or 2 or 3, it means that the product you have not made payment for. So right here, when you pay successfully, the product move right here. So when the supplier confirm your order and they're ready to ship your product, once they ship your product, it moves right here, and this is where you track your product. And at the point here, this is where you give a feedback. It means that the product has reached your supplier warehouse in China. That's just the meaning. So at the last stage here, this is where you track your refund. Most especially if you ask for a refund from any supplier, this is where you're going to see it. At the top here, this is your browse history, and this is your browse history also. These are the favorite products you are able to save in your in your profile. At the top here is your Taobao member name. So this is everything you need to understand as far as 1688 is concerned. So let's take a look at Taobao app. Okay, so I'm going to head over to my Taobao app right here. This is the Taobao app. So one great thing about Taobao app is that, let me give a brief overview about Taobao app. Taobao app is a kind of Chinese mobile e-commerce platform app that you can download from Google Play Store. Unlike 1688, you can never download 1688 app from Google Play Store. You have to download 1688 app either by somebody share the APK with you, or you know the trick on how you can get the app from the website. So that is for 1688 app. But Taobao app, you can get it easily on Google Play Store. Okay, now when you have successfully load up your Taobao app, other great things about Taobao app is that any foreigners, that is whether you are a Chinese user or you are not a Chinese user, you can use Taobao app. It's a very much friendly for foreigners. Okay, and another great thing about Taobao app is that Taobao allow you to buy a single item, unlike 1688. 85% of supplier on 1688, they categorize on MOQ, which means that the minimum you can buy from the product. Okay, but on Taobao right here, there is nothing like that. And another great thing about Taobao app is that Taobao allow you to make use of foreign card. Right here, you can see Visa card, MasterCard, American Express, and Union Pay. All these means of payment is allowed on Taobao app. But on 1688, you can only use your Alipay. If you are a foreigner, you must have Alipay before you can buy on 1688. But on Taobao app right here, like I said, you can use your foreign Visa, MasterCard, or American Express or Union Pay to make payment on a Taobao app. So another great thing about Taobao app is that Taobao allow you to type search from the top right here. This is where you can type search right here. And another great thing about Taobao app, sorry for the pump-ups, I'm going to close it. So another great thing about Taobao app is that Taobao allow you to picture search just like 1688 app. Now, one more thing about Taobao app is that at the top below, down below right here, this is where you chat. You see your chat with the supplier. This one right here is your cart. Okay, while the last one right here is to access your profile. For you to have access to your profile on Taobao app, you must register with the app. And registration for Taobao app is very much easy. It's not difficult like 1688. So you can easily register with Taobao app with your mobile phone number. So you can straight up and you'll be fine when you are trying to register. So let's check a product. I want to explain some things right here. So one thing about Taobao is that on Taobao, there is no MOQ, like I said earlier, and there is no shipping fee. Unlike 1688, if you are trying to buy from a supplier, they tend to add local shipping fee. Like for instance, this product here, if I click on this product and click here to make purchase of this product, it open up in a landing page whereby I'm going to make the purchase. So if I select this one at the top right here, you can see the price here is 37.5, okay, for just one. So if I come down here and click on here just to make payment, so you can see that we are still maintaining the same price of 37.50 RMB. This simply means that there is no local shipping fee as far as this is concerned. Okay, as far as Taobao is concerned. So the price listed is still the same price you are going to pay. Unlike 1688, where they are going to add a local shipping fee for you. So right here, another option as far as that make Taobao a great platform is that you can either pay in USD or you pay in RMB, which is Chinese currency. Then at the top here, if you want to pay with your card, you have to click here to make sure that you select your card type. So when you click on that, you're going to see the option whereby you need to select your card type. Then when you select your card type, you'll be asked to enter, of course, your card information. So right here, you need to click on here if you want to pay with your card. So when you click on that, there you'll be asked to enter your card information. And once you enter your card information, they're going to debit your card and your order will be processed. So you can see the means of card you can use to make payment on this platform. So American Express, MasterCard, Discover, JCB, Visa Card, Union Express, Union Pay, and etc. So these are the means of payment that are available on Taobao. So let's quickly go back home and let me explain some of the things you need to know about Taobao from your profile dashboard. All right, so like I said earlier, this is your chat box here. This is your cart, the product you have in cart, and right here is where you access your profile. So if I click on here now to access my profile, you are going to see some information that you need to understand as far as Taobao is concerned. Okay, at this point here, this is the product you have not made payment for. Okay, when you pay successfully, the product move here. Okay, then when the supplier arrange your product and ship out, your product move here, and this is where you track the product. Okay, this is where you track your product. This is where you know your order tracking number that you can send to your shipping company. At this stage here, this is where you give a feedback, that is, your product has been successfully delivered to your shipping address in China, or if you are not an importer, you reside in China. So this is where you are going to give a feedback that you have received the parcel. And the last stage here, this is where you track your refund. This is a similarity to 1688 app. Okay, then at the top here, this is where you see your favorite product, and here this is where you see your browse history. At the top here is your Taobao member name. So guys, this is what I have for you as far as comparison between 1688 and Taobao is concerned. I hope you find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up. If you want me to coach you and you want me to teach you on how you too can be a procurement agent, or you want to procure by yourself without using any agent, you can connect with me via the number on the screen of this video. If you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taobao or pinduoduo, or either if you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, you can as well connect with me via the same phone number on the screen of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.